Why do UX designers struggle to get their first clients? And if you're new to this field, please pay attention. Don't leave yet. Now, let's talk about something real in a minute. Why do many talented UX designers struggle to get clients? And even when their portfolios are very top notch, and when you see their LinkedIn, their CVs are very solid, why do they struggle to get clients? Now, here is the reason. It's not because you are not good enough, it's not because there is too much competition, and no, it's not even because you need another bootcamp or certifications. The real reason is because you are selling design when you should be selling results. Clients aren't hiring for pretty wireframes, they are hiring to solve business problems. These guys have something choking their neck, so now they are bringing you in to design a solution that would solve that problem. So when you are not projecting yourself as a problem solver and you're projecting yourself as a designer that makes things look so beautiful, these guys doesn't even understand design. So to business owners, they're actually thinking, if this design is going to help me increase sign-ups, if it's also going to help me reduce the drop-off rate, if it's going to help me to get more customers, that is how these guys think. And if your design is not even pointing to that direction, you might be selling the right service to the wrong people. The wrong people are just basically your fellow designers. They are going to see this and just be like, oh, nice design, nice this looks good. And trust me, that is not what you want to see. If you are not clearly showing how your work connects to the business goal, they will just scroll past you. Try this. The reason why I actually recommend some of these newbies to share content based on different sectors that are hiring is because when you share something that connects or a startup founder can resonate with, the potential of you being reached out to is very, very high. So you share something that is relating to probably e-commerce, and the person is building something that has to do with e-commerce, he will definitely reach out to you. Remember how I shared the content on how I got my first UX design job in 2017? It's just because it resonates with the guy who was working on a dating app at that time, and what I shared was a dating app. So you just have to be intentional with whatever you're sharing. Now, this is how you're going to fix this problem. Speak in outcome, not tools. Don't talk about Figma, don't talk about Rev, don't talk about all these trending tools. Talk about how your design is going to create an impact. The outcome of your design, will your design increase drop-off or increase sign-up rates or reduce drop-off rates? So instead of saying I design apps, say I help brands improve their user onboarding to reduce drop-off. So it's just very straight to the point, and it's kind of speak the language these guys want to hear. Show the business impact, not just what you did, but what's changed because of what you did or after you redesigned something. So you can just say that after I redesigned an app, it's actually increased the conversion rate to 22%. Clients don't want an order taker, they want a problem solver. UX design or product design is not about pushing pixels. It's not even about Figma. Figma is just one of the tools that we use. There's a lot of tools that we use to solve problem. Focus on the problem you're solving, not what you actually do. It's two different things. When you focus on what you do, you're just designing for the designers. But if you focus on how you solve problems and what method you use in solving these problems, you are now speaking the language that these clients actually want to hear. Post valuable content, refine your offer, make it easier for people to say yes, I want to work with this person by the kind of content you share, because from what you share, people can easily rate the kind of person you are. If you go to my LinkedIn, you will see that I share prototype. It's very complex. What I'm just trying to show is that I'm a very creative person and I can help you solve the most complex design problem. That is what I'm just trying to share with that prototype that you see me sharing on LinkedIn. That's how you have to stand out as a UX designer without shouting. Let's get back to work.